How to allow camera access in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow camera access in Snapchat so you can take snaps without any issues. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the phone settings, and now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down to the bottom, and there you just have to tap on apps. Now here in this section, just tap on manage apps and you'll be prompted to the page where you'll see the list of all the apps that are installed on your phone. So here simply scroll down and find the Snapchat, and now here once you have found the Snapchat, then what you can do is simply tap on the Snapchat to open it. So here simply tap on the Snapchat to open it. And now here, once you are inside the app settings of the Snapchat, then simply scroll down and tap on app permissions. And now here in this section, if you haven't allowed the Snapchat, then here you will see camera option under not allowed. So what you have to do is simply tap on the camera and set it to allow only while using the app option, and after that the camera will be enabled in Snapchat. And that's it. That's how you can allow camera access in Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.